Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We're going to do a tune-up report today for Mike in Illinois on the RCI-2970N2. Okay, Mike, we're going to start in AM. We're going to bring the power all the way to its minimum. We'll check it out over here. Got that set to 110 watts on the top scale. We're showing 6 watts at its minimum. Alright, we're going to put it on a 100 watt scale now. And bring it all the way up. And we're showing 60 watts at maximum. Put the wrong slug in there. Okay, 500 watt slug. Showing 300 right there. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. Check, 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 check. And we'll take it over to sideband. Oops. Get that set up right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. And over on sideband. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, bigger, bigger. Alright. I'm going to put this momentarily on it. Breaker 19 for radio check.
I can hear you, driver.
I appreciate it, driver. She sound all right today?
I'll be doing a lot better once I get out of this damn state.
Damn state. Oh, you must be in Florida.
That's right. About 360 more miles, then I don't care about coming back.
Where are you right now?
31, fixing to come up 32.
Yeah, I'm not too far off of 32, a couple miles on the east side, Roger.
Hey, I can.
All right, appreciate you coming back to me. Y'all have a fine day. Screwdriver, I'm back out.